Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. What do we got here? Pow. Look at that, guys. We got the close in 1 minute. 1 minute till the weekly close, my friends. Let's see where this goes. Obviously, we're going to close right about where we are right now. It's actually a red weekly candle, but let's go back to the daily here. We are almost at 4 cents, guys. 3 cents, 8. This is a fantastic close. And it's funny, guys. It's funny because I was telling everybody, right, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, we were over here in this big red candle. Oh, there was so much negativity, guys, right? And I said, guys, we're going to play this out and we're going to pop out of this bullpen into the upside. And here we are. We popped out just in time for the weekly close. Fantastic, guys. We've closed the candle on the daily, nice and green, guys. We had a good weekly close. I mean, the candle's red on the weekly, but nonetheless, it was still, this is a bullish candle, right? It's a hammer candle. We'll call it a hammer candle, right? Very, very bullish there, guys. We look how far down we were. We wicked all the way back up to close this candle, right? Very nice, very nice. So, can we break above 4 cents this week? That's going to be interesting to find out, right? Going to be interesting, guys, but very nice close. Very nice close indeed, in my opinion. Very bullish, guys. Very bullish. All right, let's get into the chat. Whew, what's going on? KK, it's Rob Father's Day. 100%, man. 100%. Soul Boy, what's going on, brother? Boomer, what's up, broski? What do we got? Liquidity, what's up, fam? Hope everyone's day is amazing, and if not, it soon will be. Just be patient. Absolutely. Whew, guys, I'm bloated. I'm full. I just ate so much food. I'm like uncomfortably full, right? Ryan, what's up, buddy? Aloha, my friend. Then there's me, of course, saying make sure you guys smash the likes and subscribe to the channel. Keep it growing, guys. We got to keep the channel growing. All right, so what else do we got? David, what's up, brother? Good to see you, bro. Tato. H. Barbarina in the house. Happy Father's Day, guys. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there. Okay, guys. So something. What do we got here? Micro Dips. Hey, Rob. What do you think about ApeCoin? Could it run this bull run? Also, afternoon. Are you talking about? I answered your question in the comments. Are you talking about the ApeCoin that's attached to the NFTs there? Bored Ape Yacht Club. Because if that's the project you're talking about, I'm not very bullish on that. I'm not bearish on it, but I'm not bullish on it either. I don't think that that's going to make any sort of a big comeback, right? So, Nick, welcome to the members side, my friend. Welcome, welcome. It's awesome to have your support, man. It's awesome to have your support, my friend. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks for being a part of the family. We had to push the members live stream from today till tomorrow, guys, because, I mean, it's Father's Day and everything, right? So we're pretty busy, but absolutely, man. Welcome to the members side, my friend. The NFT, yeah, I guess best case scenario I would say is that I'm neutral. I'm neutral on it, right? That's what I would say. Nick, hello, buddy. Hello, fam. Welcome to the family, brother. Andre, what's good, man? What's good? Harris, Swift and Jasmy making moves. Yes, absolutely. We had a great close, guys, a great daily close, a great weekly close. Let's go have a look at the bubbles and see what's going on out there. Look at Pepe there, pumping. 48%. Nice. Swift is up, guys. 12%. 12. Jasmy's up 13%. Guys, you love to see it. We are going to the moon, boys. We're going to the moon. Like to see this kind of recovery, guys. Leads to maybe possibly a nice green week. Bitcoin's at 66,677. Oh, we'll keep it going, guys. Let's keep the momentum going into next week. Got some good. Ford is a good DCA opportunity still though. 19 cents. GFAL at 1 cent, 1.5 cents for GFAL, guys. Man, let's talk about some opportunities. A Tor at $1.60. There's some good chances out there right now to fill some bags, guys. $1.17 entry point on Ondo. Yes, please. Liking this JASMY pump. Absolutely, man. Philip, Rob, question. Does the EtherScan holders include the people holding on exchanges? All of the so what happens, Philip, is that so everyone on Binance that holds JASMY, all of those holders would be one wallet on EtherScan, essentially, right? Because they're all held essentially by Binance technically, right? So there could be tens of thousands of people holding on Binance, for example, but it will only count as one wallet, if that answers your question. JASMY equals early retirement. Absolutely. What do you think of 250K Swift? I think that bag is absolutely fantastic, man. Fantastic. That is a good sized bag of Swift for sure. That's what I thought. Yep. You got her, brother. You got her. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Now, guys, there's something I wanted to talk about real quick here. Now, somebody had asked me a question, and this is just, I'm not naming the person because it's not meant to call the person out or anything like that, right? What it's really meant to do is give a little bit of perspective. So somebody asked me in the comments today, they said, do you still think Miria is still a good choice? Okay. Now, guys, this is very important. The reason I'm bringing this up, right? It's very important, okay? You cannot get stuck in recency bias, okay? You can't do that. The way that I do things with my bags, guys, I'll use a little example here, okay? So let's take KASPA to start with, right? So about a year ago, KASPA was all the rage, right? KASPA was going viral. And I was talking a lot about KASPA. I was filling up my KASPA bags, right? Once I finished filling my KASPA bags, we didn't talk about it as much anymore, and mainly because it wasn't getting many views on videos, right? So we didn't really make any videos about it. But that did not change my faith and my confidence in the project. Just because I don't talk about it every day, right? I mean, I tend to talk about it in just about every live stream, but I still have full faith in KASPA, for example, right? And I bought that bag about a year ago. And then I put it away into cold storage and you forget about it because now I'm working on something else, right? You can't, that's how you prevent yourself from focusing on the price of a project, right? If you're done accumulating it, put it aside, forget that you have it until the bull run and work on something else, right? Work on a different project. That's what you should be focused on. I hold bags of KASPA, Swift is another one, guys. How long was I talking about Swift when I was filling my bags and stuff, right? And then what happened? I filled up my bags and then I put it aside and I forgot about it, right? And right now I'm working on XCN. Same thing with Miria, right? I filled up my bags with Miria, I put it aside and I forgot about it because I'm not selling till next year, so I don't care what the price of it is right now. If I'm done filling that bag, then I don't give a dog's shit what the price is until next year, right? So the reason I bring that up, guys, is that people get stuck in recency bias, right? It's not viral. It's not what everybody's talking about right now at this time. So then people start to lose confidence in that project. Now, what you have to ask yourself is, since the point that you invested in Miria, for example, or KASPA or JASMY or whatever, right? If you're starting to wonder whether you still have conviction in the project, you should ask yourself a couple of questions. One, have the fundamentals of the project changed in any way? If they haven't, then you should not be shaken in your conviction, right? Number two, has anything changed with the team? Have team members left the project or anything like that? No? Okay. Well, then you should still have conviction in the team, right? So if nothing fundamentally changes with the project or the team, then just because it's not recency, like people aren't talking about it right now, and this goes for any project, guys, right? Because it's not popular or sexy right now going viral, you should still have the same fundamental conviction in the project that you had when you filled up your bags. And if you don't, that means you didn't do your research on the project, right? So to answer the question, I still have 100% conviction in Miria, but because nothing's changed. Nothing has changed with the project since I bought it, right? The team's still the same. The fundamentals are the same. The project's still moving forward. Everything, right? So yeah. So that guys is something you have to fight with, right? You have to just because it's not being talked about a lot. That's going to happen over the course of a 4-year cycle. You're going to buy something in year 1 of the bear market, right? And then a year and a half later, no one's talked about it in 6 or 7 months. Well, I mean, guys, that doesn't mean that you should lose your conviction in that project as long as nothing's changed, right? So just try to remind yourself that you're just having recency bias with that, and just, remember why you bought it, right? That's all what I would remind you guys when it comes to that kind of stuff, right? I sold 40K JASMY to buy 250K Swift. Cool. $250,000 Swift is awesome. Absolutely, man. So the Etherscan holders going up all the time are quickly longer term. Yes, absolutely. Sam, what's up, buddy? Good evening. Just wrapped up Father's Day down here. Happy Father's Day to all you out there. Yes, happy Father's Day to everybody, guys. If you get a chance, look at Lena. I would appreciate it, my guy. Happy Father's Day from the States. Nice. Yeah. Let's have a look at it right now. What do we got? All right, what's it called? Lina? Lina? That's right. I remember you saying this and asking me this in the comments a little while ago. $66 million market cap, 1 cent, 62% of the supply in circulation. They're audited by Certec. That's good. All-time high 3 years ago, 42 cents. I don't know what the dilution rate is. It's a yield farming play. Got some good listings. Binance, LBank, Gate.io, KuCoin. Seems like a pretty good play, man. Reasonably low market cap. It seems good. I don't know what the dilution rate is, but it seems okay to me, man. How can XCN, so how much XCN you aiming for, Rob? I'm aiming for 5 million. Lily, how you doing? Good to see you. Soulboy says, hit them likes, ladies and gents. Yes, absolutely, guys. Smash those likes. And also smash the subscribe button, guys. Smash it, whack it like it's Gary Gensler's face. Let's go. Throw a shoe at it. Kusama, what's up, man? Palazzo. Is that a project? Palazzo. I got nothing on Coin Market Cap. So I don't know if that's a project you're talking about. What's your thoughts on XDC? I don't mind XDC. I hold a little bit of it. I think I was buying it over on BitTrue a while ago, but it's a good play. It'll do okay. I believe it'll do pretty good. I haven't looked at XDC in over a year. 4 cents. I think I got in at like 2 cents or something like that. Yeah. I was in around a cent or two, like a year and a half ago or something like that. Almost a $700 million market cap. I like their utility. That's why I got in. They're audited by Certec as well. Tokenomics. I mean, you don't know the max supply. All-time high was 26 cents. I think it'll smash 26 cents. But yeah, it's got some decent listings. But I mean, it needs. I don't think it doesn't have no Binance, right? No, it's got no Binance, no Coinbase. So I mean, it needs a couple more listings, maybe Kraken as well. But It'll do okay. It's got a good community behind it, so bought just over 500K XCC and 250K on Swift, and definitely getting more. Nice. That's a win, brother. That's a win. Nothing but the North. What's up, man? Let's get rich, mother lovers. Yahoo! I love it. I dig it, brother. I dig it. I'm jacked up. I got my tea. I was feeling drained and heavy because I ate like a pig, but you know what? I'm starting to get the energy flowing here, guys. I'm feeling it. I just got to drink some tea, get some caffeine in me. Got to keep up with you guys. Kevin, Bro Tato, what's going on, man? Bro Fasa, Rob Father, what are your thoughts about all of us dying thanks to crypto? Great daily close for Jasmy and Swift. You know, I mean, it's going to happen no matter what anyway, right? So we might as well do it rich, right? Good afternoon, all of you, and Rob, of course. Good afternoon, my friend. Good afternoon, good evening. What do we got? I think it's a 10 billion supply, so roughly 62 dilution. Okay, yeah, good. It's a good play. I do like it. I do like it. Harris, I'm thinking Terra is a coin no one is talking about. It's 50 cents roughly and could hit $1 or $100. Terra? Terra? Are you talking about Avatera? I assume that's what you're talking about. Or are you talking about Terabyte AI? Because I know you're not talking about Terra Luna. So which one are you talking about, Harris? I'll have a look. Let me know. Where do you think Swift and Jasmy are going this week? Oh, this week? I don't know, man. I have no idea. This week is a big question mark, man. We could have a very, very green week, or we could have, like, who knows? We're having a good start here by closing the day and the week nice. But I mean, let me get my bearings for Monday first, and we'll see what's going on. Take a look at NGL. It's on an injective play, in my view. Done deep research. Have a look. NGL. NGL. You talking about Entangled or Gold Fever? Got two here. Let's look at Entangled. Let me know which one if I'm looking at the right one here. This one is on Ethereum by the looks of it. Let me know if I'm on the right one, Philip. Terra Luna. Let me look at Terra Luna. This is what you're talking about? People are saying it could go to $100. I don't know, man. It's already got it's over $500,000 or $500 million market cap already. This isn't Classic, right? Terra Luna Classic. That's not what this is it? No, because isn't Terra Luna Classic like a fraction of a cent or something like that? All-time high was $26. Okay. What is it? It doesn't have any tickers or any tags. What is it? What is it? Fueled by the passionate community and deeper developer talent pool, the Terra blockchain is built. Is this supposed to be a layer 1? Wow, they have a big community behind them. 1 million followers on X. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely got the community behind it, Harris. It's definitely got the community, man. So yeah, I mean, it's got the potential. Now, personally, I won't touch it because I got burned on Terra Luna Classic, and it's as far as I know, it's probably related in some way, shape, or form. So I won't touch it. But that's not saying it won't do well. Just because I've been burned on it doesn't mean that it's not going to make people a lot of money, right? So, I mean, hell, $100. I don't know about $100. I think it could definitely. It's got the potential with the community behind it to break through its all-time high, though, for sure. So, Yeah, I hope it does for you, man. Actually, on Luna Classic, any thoughts, Rob? Luna Classic, I'm not big on Luna Classic, man. And the thing is, the reason I'm not big on Terra Luna Classic is because I got burned on it, right? I mean, I was holding it when it crashed, and I just, I know now, to be completely fair here, guys, to be completely fair to the project, I have no idea what they're doing right now. As I don't know if it's a meme coin. I don't know if they've actually got some utility. Like, what is the tags that they have? Um, they don't really have any. They're in a lot of portfolios, but they don't. They don't really have any tags of payment. So I don't know. I have no idea what their utility is. I'm jaded on it because I got burned on it, so I'm a little biased on it. But I mean, I hope that their community does very, very well and the project pumps for them, though, right? So I really don't believe it will recover one day. Yeah, honestly, I don't think so either. But Jasmine will go to $1 soon. Hey, absolutely, man. Entangled. Okay, entangled. I thought it was entangled. Okay, so 74 cents. Oh, man. There's only 10% of the supply in circulation. That hurts, right? $82 billion market cap. Um, well, it's an Oracle play. That's good. I mean, the only thing I would say I don't really like about it is I don't like their tokenomics, Philip, to be honest with you. Can you check out spell token when you get a when will it break out? When will spell token break out? Spell token. By the way, guys, if you want to learn a little more about charting and stuff like that, just so you guys know, I started recording some videos. We're going to start teaching over on the Patreon. I got some videos coming out over there. We're going to teach you basics. We're going to teach you candles. We're going to teach you patterns. We're going to teach you structures. So if you want to learn that stuff, guys, join the Patreon. The link is down below for that, and you can start to learn that. So, all right, what are we looking at here? I mean, this is the daily. It's been going down, 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 eh? Oh, hang on. I mean, it's one might, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's below all of its moving averages. This has got to be due for a break to the upside here. It's got to be due for a break to the upside sometime soon. Because, like, yeah, like this obviously was this massive dump, right? Last week or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it's below all of its moving averages. It is oversold. Well, pretty close to neutral oversold on the RSI. So there's some good room for growth. Yeah, like look at the 4 hour for sure. This is definitely going to break to the upside sometime soon. Could take another week or so, but it's definitely due for a break to the upside. You could even make this tighter, to be honest with you. I mean, right? You could. Yeah, I mean, it's due for a breakout from the looks of it, man. It's definitely due for a breakout. If we go back over to the like look at that daily time frame, man. It looks like Jasmy's chart. Look at that. Jasmy's all-time chart. Um, yeah, I mean, Looks due for a breakout, man. I think JASMY in December this year, $1. Man, I hope so. I hope so. Jarsky, what's up, man? 2024 price prediction for JASMY. I got like 7 JASMY price prediction videos out, my friend. But I'll say $1.50, $2 is what I'm hoping. Terra was built after Dokwon. Okay. So he's got nothing to do with it then. It's got a huge community behind it, man. I'll give you that. Like I said, definitely has a huge community behind it. So, yeah, I think it could do okay. Juicy JASMY. Blessings keep shining. Absolutely, John. Good to see you, brother. I want to learn. John, you want to learn? Jump over to the Patreon, my friend. The link is down below. And, yeah. Sign up, man. Sign up for the Patreon, and we will be teaching. We're going to start with the basics. We're going to start with candles, how to read the candles, and we'll move up from there as we go, right? So definitely jump over to the Patreon if you want to learn that stuff, guys. Can JASMY go back to 2 cents for? I doubt it, man. I doubt it. Like, it would take, I mean, listen, it would have to, hang on. JASMY to get back to 2 cents, we would need to see the scenario I laid out the other day where we would need to see Bitcoin drop down to 52K. That would have to happen for JASMY to get back down to 2 cents, right? I mean, we've got support levels for JASMY at, where are we here? We've got support levels at 3 cents, a little one at 3 cents too. We've got one, a big one. We've got a big one at 3 cents 5, a big one at 3 cents 75 as well. That's a little bit above us, but oh no, that's below us now. We've got a big support level at 3 cents even, right? 2 cents 75 was another support level. 2 cents 5. We'd have to fall all the way down to here, right? So we would need to fall hang on, roughly from where we are now, we would need to fall 92% to get back down to 2 cents, right? I don't see that happening, to be honest with you. It would take a lot. It would take a lot. We'd have to fall through all those support levels, plus we'd have to fall through all 3 moving averages as well, right? I don't know if that's going to happen. I see Steph's Crypto talking about yesterday. The only way I see that happening is if, like I said, if Bitcoin tumbles back down to 52K, 55 to 52K, then JASMY could do it. But that's what it would take. It would take something that extreme for JASMY to fall back down that low, especially since, I mean, the charts on JASMY right now look bullish as well, not even bearish charts, right? Swift popping right now. Yeah, she's looking good, man. Swift's looking good. Swift is up. Let's bring up the KuCoin chart. KuCoin. Let's have a look, shall we? Yeah, see, I drew this pattern for you guys a couple of days ago, right? I said that JASMY was forming a bull flag. Look at that. It's playing out perfectly like I laid it out, right? We broke out of this bull pennant right up into a bull flag, guys. And it looks like we're trying to break out above it now. So we'll see how it goes. And this is the, yeah, that's a daily time frame. So it's playing out perfectly on Swift. So if Ripple invests into JASMY, are they also adding users to the PDL? No, that's a completely different thing. I mean, hey, maybe if they somehow integrate the PDL into the XRP ledger, which is entirely possible, right? But the main thing right now, what it would be is that Ripple is looking to invest, right, into a blockchain company in Japan. So they're looking to financially back a blockchain company in Japan, right? And help them grow, help them expand. No different than getting like think about it this way: getting like VCs to invest into Jasmy or Junction, right? So very similar thing. Now, would that lead to the integration of the PDL into the some aspects of the XRP ledger? That's entirely possible, yes, because it could help the XRP ledger in significant ways, right? So CSIX moving back nice. CSIX. Okay. Oh, Carbon Browser. Yes, yes. Yeah, we called this one out. I think, was it last Sunday we called this one out? It's over on KuCoin as well. Yeah. I'm very, very bullish on this one, man. Very bullish on Carbon Browser. If GME or AMC don't banana tomorrow, buy my Jasmy bag. Will not sell this year. Absolutely, man. Jasmy's hitting the 618 fib, which may be resistance at 3 cents 9. It's definitely going to be resistance at 3 cents 9. It might take us a couple of tries to break back through 4 cents. There's probably a lot of sell orders, a lot of volume up there at 3 cents 9, right? Around that 4 cent level. A lot of people are going to be taking profits again, right? So I agree. I agree, Andre. It's a Fujasmi. What up, Jasmy family? Chris, what's up, brother? XCN going to the moon. Absolutely, man. Let's go have a look at XCN, actually. Let's go give it a how do you do, right? Friend of mine at work there last night actually bought some XCN. He asked me about any new projects. It's funny because he had like $3,000 that he had a couple of months ago, right? And he came out to me, started asking me, so what projects I was in and stuff. So I told him a couple. So he bought a couple of projects with his $3,000. Now he's at like $12,000 because I helped him out. And then he's like, oh, like what are you buying right now? So I told him I was buying XCN. So he just drops $1,200 into XCN right there like that. Boom, let's get it. Let's go. So yeah, XCN, guys, like I said, it's still just kind of channeling sideways here. It's been doing this for 3 months now, I think, right? So, I mean, it's only a matter of time before we break out of this, likely to the upside, right? Now, listen, guys, for me, when it comes to XCN, I truly believe that the next breakout for XCN, which is coming, is going to be big because there's not a ton of resistance levels. I think we're going to see close to a cent for XCN when it starts to run. It's going to run big between 207 and 1 cent, right? Which is a huge X from 2018 to 2, even if it only goes to 207, right? So this one's going to have a juicy spike, in my opinion, guys, when it runs, right? Look how long we've been treading sideways here, right? Inside this channel. Long time, guys. When it happens, it's going to happen big. Sol also a bargain now? Absolutely, man. Solana is a steal of a deal right now. Waiting for XCN to make a big move. Yep, it'll happen. It'll happen. I don't understand people taking profits again at 4 cents. Just seems like people are very impatient. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. But those are the people who end up getting wrecked, right? Those are the people who end up not making as much money through a cycle, and then they get upset and they're like, "Oh, it's a scam," and it's all because they couldn't just hold, right? Like I was having this discussion yesterday with someone. I can't remember who it was, but it's really, really simple, guys. And I say this all the time. Crypto is so simple that it's difficult because people overthink it, right? It's really simple. Buy through a bear market. and just shut up and hold it until the parabolic part of the bull run. That is literally, I mean, listen, with the exception of obviously doing the research into the projects that you're actually buying, right? Make sure you're buying good projects. But outside of that, guys, freaking just accumulate through a bear market for about 2.5 years and just wait. That's all it is. That is literally all it is. I have friends in crypto online from the States, from all over the world, who have turned themselves into multi-millionaires over the last 3 cycles in crypto because all they did was buy through a bear market and hold it until the parabolic part. They didn't let impatience and frustration and the stupid stuff that people like say to me, for example, right? They're like, oh, it's not happening now. The goalpost keeps moving and I'm frustrated. I'm like, just shut up and buy it and sit down and wait for the blow off top. That's literally all you have to do. Stop being so emotional, right? You can't, no matter how much you kick and scream and fuss, you cannot force the parabolic part of the bull run to come any faster. It's going to come when it wants to come. The problem is a lot of people try to go to the gains. I gotta go to the gains instead of just sitting back and letting the gains come to you, right? That's all you got to do, man. I swear, that's all you got to do. Not financial advice, but I'm telling you, buy through a bear market, dollar cost average, and just wait. That's it, right? But these stupid people, I want to day trade, I want to swing trade, I want to leverage trade with zero experience. I want to hurry. I'm not making it fast enough. Go get wrecked then. You know, just don't come back and whine to me about it later when you didn't do the strategy you should have done, right? So I agree, Kevin, 100%, bro Fasa, 100%, man. The people who can't wait are the people. How many times have I said to you guys, crypto is literally the transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. That's what it is, right? So if this is you, if you're sitting there right now and you're like, I can't wait, I don't want to wait, I want my millions right now, you're going to get wrecked. I promise you. You got to stop, right? You got to stop. Rose, do you think the 7 million XCN I have is good? I'm hoping to get 2 mil. I think that's a pretty good bag, Roosevelt. Absolutely. I'm only shooting for about 5 mil. So, I mean, 7, you'd be ahead of me. So, yeah, I think you'll do all right. I'd make sure I'm diversified as well while you still have time, though. Will I explain XCN in depth? What is unique about it? Celine, what I would say to you is I literally 3 days ago did a 5-series video series breakdown of the entire XCN white paper, right? If you want to know in great detail and depth what XCN is and what is unique about it, go watch those 5 videos, my friend. They're only about 8 or 9 minutes long each, right? Go watch those 5 videos. I break down the entire white paper for you. Not planning to sell until Mr. Rob sells. Nice. Pretty good plan, brother. Pretty good plan. Any thoughts on Turbo? Love Turbo. Turbo's going to do fantastic. I've done multiple videos about Turbo as well. I think Turbo, at a worst case scenario, will hit roughly Pepe's market cap, where Pepe's market cap is right now. So, like, if we look at Turbo right now, Turbo is a $400 million market cap right now, right? So we go to Pepe. Pepe is a $7.1 billion market cap. I think Turbo can get where Pepe is now, possibly higher. So maybe, hopefully that answers your question about how bullish I am on Turbo. Stop selling so I can become a millionaire. Yes. Act right. Knock it off. Right? Get your shit together. Oh, good times. Oh, man. Get your shit together. What do we say, guys? What do we say? Hang on. Oh. What do we say, guys, to the whiners, right? What do we say to the people who can't stand the volatility, who say this is too hard? I'll tell you what we say.
Hey, you wanted this, right? You wanted the real deal. That's what this is. Wake up. You're in the middle of it. You want to run? Go ahead. No one's stopping you. Stop complaining.
Stop complaining. Get your shit together. Chris says, hit the like button, guys. Absolutely, man. Luna Classic pumping right now. Is it pumping? Is it pamping? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. It's up 4%, 5%. Not too bad. Not too bad, man. Nice little rally dally there, right? Little rally dally for the Terra Luna Classics. Oh, that's not Classic, sorry. That's just Luna. Here we go. Luna Classic is actually up 11% almost. Wow, nice. Little reach around surprise there, guys. 3K Sports Unlimited. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Hey, Robin Community. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you too, brother. Whew, I am full of piss and vinegar tonight, guys. You should have seen how salty I was earlier. I was uncomfortable and just from being so bloated and full. I was cranky. I was cranky, man. Holy smokes. All right. What else do we got? All right, I guess. What do we got here? Brian. Hey, Rob. What's the minimum amount of Helium Mobile to hold? Helium Mobile, man, honestly, I mean, we're looking at right now a price of, I mean, it's a tenth of a cent right now, right? So, I mean, I would recommend, not recommend, but I mean, for me personally, I hold some Helium Mobile. I do plan on getting more. You should be able to accumulate at least at least 1 million tokens, right? At a tenth of a cent, just dollar cost averaging. But I'm probably going to try to pick up around 2.5 million for myself. So, what do you think of flying avocado cat on ETH? Ticker's FAC. You know with FAC? Yeah, you know me. FAC. Flying cat on ETH. That's not on here. Let me check. Dex Tools Profasa. You said it's on ETH. Flying cat avocado. Let's go. Step up. You are next on The Price is Right. I get the hiccups. Holy crap. Got a little bounce action happening here, eh? This is a volatile one. Holy crap. Look at this. Making higher highs, though. I mean, unless this craps out, but it seems to be starting to form a little bit of resistance right around here, though, man. Right? Seems to be. I mean, I don't like doing TA on meme coins, but it seems to be meeting a little bit of resistance right around there. But if it can smash through again, this one's gonna fly, brother. This one's gonna fly. Long as they don't rug on you, you know. Yeah, this one should fly for sure. Simon, all in on Jasmy. Wagme, shout out from Australia. Nice. Australia in the house. Nice. Okay, guys, I guess we should get into some of the news, eh? You guys don't even know what the hell's going on out there today. You're sitting there like, Rob, what the hell's going on out there today? I got you covered, man. I got you covered, okay? Stop screaming at me. All right, let's see what's going on. Boom. Okay, guys, I'm going into the news now. Again, if you want to get my attention, fire your question or your project over that you want me to look at in a super chat, and I will get to it. What do we got? Binance has been talking about none other than JASMY again. Check it out, guys. Trending articles, Coin Edition, JASMY's parabolic rise. Will this crypto follow Cardano's path? Crypto experts anticipate JASMY could follow Cardano's 2021 path, potentially reaching significant feats. Well, you know what, guys? Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun with this. What do you say? What do you know? What do you say? Let's look at the Cardano 2021. Go to the daily. So what we're talking about here, guys, the start of 2021, I guess I should bring you guys over to see what I'm looking at, right? So 2021 started right here, right here, right? So what we're talking about here is, can Cardano mirror this, right? That was the peak of the bull run, and then we worked our way down to the bear market into 2022, and then the bear market started beginning of 2022, and then it was just a nightmare from there on, right? So this is where the bull run started, 2021 for Cardano. So can JASMY do this? Oh, crap. Do this, right? That's the question. Can JASMY do that in this bull run? That's the question that's being asked as of late on JASMY, guys, right? That's a hell of a move. Even if it only did, even if it stopped right here, even if it only did this, that would be a hell of a move still, right? That is, so if we look at what Cardano did, okay? So 2021, January, right here, okay? So Cardano went up 859% according to this, okay? Can JASMY do that? What do you guys think? That's a hell of a run, guys. That is a hell of a run, right? Yeah, that looks pretty juicy, man. Pretty juicy. That took the whole bull. Well, no, I could shorten this a little bit, but it's just longer because I was there. So right here. So that took about 237 days through the bull run to make that run. So can JASMY do that? So the better part of next year is what it would take for JASMY to do that. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Pretty big move. Now, I would ask the people who are complaining about the current price action, is it, when you have a little bit of perspective here, is it now worth waiting for JASMY to do something like this? Is it worth suffering through what's happening right now in your impatience if this is what's going to come close to happening on JASMY? I would beg to say yes. Yes. I would say, please, sir, can I have some more sideways action, please? Right? So, yeah. Definitely has the potential, guys. And Binance talking about JASMY some more. Boom. Check it out. So, Growth Dynamics says JASMY, backed by its solid PDL technology, clear vision for the future that allows users to fully control and monetize their personal information. Binance talking about JASMY again, but yet still hold them in the innovation zone for some reason. I can't figure out why, to be honest with you. All right, so what else do we got? Pow, let's check it out. So Ripple XRP isn't out to replace the US dollar. It's revolutionizing the value transmission system Price volatility, just like early Google days. Listen up.
So the point that I always try and tell people is, the biggest issue that I always try and focus on is cryptocurrencies are really not about currency. And the biggest misunderstanding of this whole discussion is the belief that if crypto is not doing a great job of replacing the US dollar, then crypto is failing in its mission. And what I think we'll talk about a little bit today is the idea that most of crypto is about replacing the centralized banking system with networks that allow user control versus bank CEO control. The crypto assets that have prices are more like internet stocks. It's more like you bet on Google if you think there's going to be high internet traffic, and you short Google if you think people are going to go back to the post office, right? But it's not that Ethereum or Ripple or anything else is trying to replace the US dollar. It's trying to replace a system of transmitting value. And we'll talk a lot more about that. So for me, the prices are not that relevant any more than Google's volatility is. And in the early days of Google, that was super volatile. So the point that I always try and tell people is,
Yeah, a lot of people fail to understand that, guys. It's not out to replace the dollar, right? What else do we got? NeoSun. So I've been asked about this Maphoria quite a bit, guys. So I figured I would bring this up. So according to my good friend NeoSun, Satoshi Amagai, CEO of Maphoria and former CEO Sony engineer, discusses vein authentication with JASMY as a partner in vein recognition solutions combined with JASMY's double key patent technology. So vein recognition is an astonishing technology that can instantly confirm a person's identity with unmatched accuracy without the need for anything, since it is impossible to impersonate or replicate someone. The possibilities are endless. If vein recognition becomes widespread, it will accurately identify individuals without requiring anything. Only Japanese manufacturers are doing it correctly. It's a challenging technology, and we are involved in it. But in this sense, I believe Japanese manufacturers are far ahead of vein recognition technology. Several companies are doing it. There are hundreds of companies worldwide offering fingerprint authentication and facial recognition. I think there are probably tens of thousands of companies offering facial recognition, but very few companies offer vein recognition. Surprisingly, because it is unique technology, very few companies use it. We also have patents. Since becoming independent from Sony, we have been able to hold numerous patents, which is one of our strengths. Very bullish, guys. Very, very bullish. Love that partnership, guys. All right, what else is on the docket today? John says, I remember well when investors panicked out of Chainlink in December of 2018 when it was around 20 cents. That's right, 20 cents. 30 months later, it hit $50. The technology didn't change, but the ignorance over its value changed. Today, ICP is that coin. So leaving that part out, I do agree ICP is a fantastic project, yada, yada, yada. But guys, you could copy and paste this for any utility play out there, JASMY included, guys, right? When you really think about it. Chainlink, guys. Imagine getting Chainlink at 20 cents. 20 cents, guys. Here, look at this. Imagine. Look what Chainlink ended up doing in the last bull run. $53? Even right now, where is it right now? Current price is $15, $15, 1.5, guys. Imagine buying it at 20 cents and it's at $15 now. Right? That's what XRP holders are dreaming of, and Cardano holders right now. Right? That's what they want. So so guys, right? When people tell you these things can't happen, tell them to blow it out their arsehole, because they don't know what they're talking about. They probably said the same thing about Chainlink. He just said how bearish everyone was on it, right? Crazy, guys, crazy. The transfer of wealth from the inpatient to the patient. All right, what else do we got? So, guys, just so that you know, if you're holding on MEXC, MEXC will delist Fetch AI, AGIX, and Ocean for their perpetual futures on June 25th. So, if you're trading futures on those projects, because they have to prepare for the merger that's happening, right? So, yeah, just so you're aware of that, a little bit of a heads up there. Currently in final accumulation opportunity for this cycle before the massive rally begins. I love the way it follows the 2020 alts season vibes. Absolutely, man. Look at this 2020 vibes. Boom. We've got our bull pennant right here. Bull flag formed right here. Boop, 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 boop. And then pow, right? That's where we are right now, guys. Look, we've got the bull flag going. Next up, pow, break to the upside of the altcoin dominance. It's not if, but when. Top analysts forecast KASPA to reach $1, $10, and $100. Here's his timeline and outlook. Man, I got to drink some water. I'm dry. A crypto analyst with more than 50,000 followers on YouTube has made a prediction about KASPA, forecasting significant price milestones in the coming years. The information comes from a YouTube video entitled "KASPA will hit $1 soon by now," where the content creator shares their bullish outlook on the digital asset. The analyst begins by highlighting KASPA's recent price surge, noting that it's currently trading near its all-time high. Despite this, many maintain that KASPA remains an attractive investment opportunity, citing its innovative technology and marketing potential. According to the video, KASPA stands out in the cryptocurrency landscape due to its unique architecture. It's described as the world's first block DAG cryptocurrency, purportedly solving the long-standing trilemma of security, scalability, and speed that has plagued many blockchain projects. The analyst argues that these technological advancements position KASPA as a potential rival to established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, I love KASPA. I hold a big bag of KASPA, but you guys know I'm always keep it 100 with you guys. When someone says they solved the trilemma, it doesn't mean a damn thing to me. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a buzzword phrase, right? Every single layer one out there says they solved the trilemma. So when KASPA video content creators have that as their only argument, it's BS. Like every layer one says they solved the trilemma. Algorand says it. HBAR says it. Everybody says it, right? Cardano says it. Like it's just a buzzword. It's a phrase. It doesn't mean anything, right? It's lost all meaning. Milli Moneda is a new meme coin. Okay, I'm not reading about a new meme coin. Anyway, down to the price prediction part. Short-term outlook. The analyst predicts KASPA will reach $1 in the near future, driven by the upcoming release of the smart contracts on its network. This development is expected to generate increased hype and demand for the token. Midterm projection. During the potential bull run, the expert suggests that KASPA could climb as high as $10 before stabilizing around $3. Long-term forecast. The most ambitious prediction sees KASPA potentially hitting $100 within 5 years. I don't think so. I hold, believe me, with the bag of KASPA I have right now, I would be one of the first people to want KASPA to go to $100 a coin in 5 years, because I would be white chick rich, right? So, but guess what? I don't see it going that far. That's a pretty crazy, right? Now, will it hit $1? Absolutely. Could it hit $10 in the next bull run after this one, 2028, 2029? Yes, absolutely it could. But saying KASPA, like as much as I love KASPA, How are you going to look me in the face with a straight face and say that you think KASPA could get to $100 inside of 5 years, but XRP can't get to $100 in 5 years? It's ridiculous to you if an XRP person says it, or if a Cardano person says it, but if a KASPA person says it, it's perfectly logical. You know what I'm saying, guys, right? Bias will kill you every time. So I love KASPA. I want KASPA to succeed. Don't get me wrong. I hold a big, fat ass bag of KASPA. I was buying it below a cent. I am up huge on my KASPA. Haven't sold any. What else do we got? Bitcoin formed a huge cup and handle pattern price as it's similarly did in 2016, which led to a huge breakout. The clock is ticking. So as you see here, guys, cup, handle right here, massive breakout. Cup, we've got our handle here. Where's the massive breakout? We'll see. We will see. Breaking news: money supply is about to explode again. Buy everything the government can't print and protect yourself against money debasement. Yes, money printer go burr, guys. Money printer go burr. Hershey blows. Altcoins 2016 right here, guys. Boom. Look at that run up. Altcoins 2020. Boom. Look at that run up, double top. 2024. All signs are pointing to a run, guys. All signs are pointing to a run. Wolf of Wall Street. More crypto ETFs incoming. William Quigley, co-founder of Tether and Wax, predicted that the approval of the spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in the U.S. will lead to a surge in similar products for the cryptocurrencies like Solana and Cardano, driven by Wall Street's relentless pursuit of profit. He highlighted that Wall Street's greed ensures that successful products will be replicated, although he warned that the momentum might cool, potentially leading to a closure of ETFs with low demand. Quigley expressed mixed feelings about the traditional finance involvement in crypto, acknowledging that while it brings necessary capital to the market's growth, it also introduces significant risk. The SEC approval of a Bitcoin ETF in January was a significant milestone, although allowing investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly holding it. Which sparked substantial interest in the end investment inflows. Anticipation for Ethereum ETFs is high. The SEC chair Gary Gensler suggested approvals might be finalized by the end of the summer, despite his concerns. Quigley noted that Bitcoin's price typically rises significantly after its halving events, predicting a substantial increase in the future based on historical trends. Big things popping, little things stopping. You guys know what it is. Rumors are that Biden is now coming to tell you why he supports Bitcoin more than Trump. 14% of U.S. populace owns it. It is more unifying swing vote than anything. Any other topic. I'm sure he probably meant to say. Bitcoin is healing political divides. I'm here for more presidential Hunger Games. Yeah, hey, as long as they're both pretending that they like it, it's good for our bags, guys, right? So that's exactly it. What, you want more signals? Okay, I got you. Bitcoin daily MACD, guys, positive momentum is returning down here. Check it out, guys. Positive momentum to the upside. Positive momentum. Here we are. Positive momentum coming to the upside. We are on our way, guys. Never forget Algorand family. The message is very clear what Algorand needs. Yes, Algorand's greatest challenge isn't the tech or dev tools anymore. It's awareness. Algorand needs a marketing manager that can handle this project. Please, baby Jeebus, help us out. My goodness, man. The weakness of a lot of projects, guys, is their lack of marketing capability. End of the bear trap, be ready. So he figures we're right here, guys. End of the bear trap into media attention, and then enthusiasm into greed, delusion, and new paradigm, and then denial. This here, guys, is the part I want to talk about, right? This is what I want to talk about. This is where a lot of new people in crypto get stuck because they get up here, around here in greed and delusion. They start seeing everybody on YouTube and everybody on X saying, super cycle, it's not going to end, Bitcoin to $1 million, you know, JASMY to $15, and you're going to get all these crazy. And this is where you get stuck if you're new to crypto and you believe it. And then we spike, we hit the top, and you're still holding. And then here's what happens, guys. Denial, right? Starts to come down. Everyone's taking profits because everybody realized we're at the top, right? We're at the top. Oh, crap. You know what I'm saying? And then we fall and we fall. But you're telling yourself, because your content creators are telling you, no, market's not over. It's just a dip, man. It's just a dip. Buy it up. So then you start buying more around here. And then we fall further into a bull trap. And then we pump back up. So now we're in the bull trap. So then you think, oh, see, we're on our way back up now. It's okay. So then you start buying more. And then it plummets into capitulation. And then you're in despair down here. And you're still holding your bags because you didn't have a plan, right? Now, while everybody else is getting geared up for in delusion and greed, guess what? Rob, your old buddy Rob here, is front running the market and selling everything right around here. Right around here, guys. I'll be exiting, taking my millions and going home. And then everyone else is going to be here in denial at the top. And then they're going to ride it all the way back down to the bottom. By the way, guys, if you don't want to get stuck in that, click the join button and join the member side so you'll know exactly when I'm selling. You like that little plug, eh? See what I did there? Also, smash the subscribe button because you think I'm awesome, right? Admit it, you do. Just admit it. What else do we got? BTC 66K line of control defended as expected. No daily candle closed below the 66K support for 3 consecutive days. Very, very bullish, guys. We held strong. We're going into a positive week, I think, guys. We're going into a positive week. We shall see. Okay, let's guys, let's get into some token unlocks. People have been asking me about token unlocks lately. Let's have another look at what's coming up here in the next week or so in token unlocks. ApeCoin. Someone asked me about ApeCoin today. They got a token unlock today. They did a token unlock. ISPO Link, another one I'm bullish on. They did a token unlock today as well, but look, they have like most of their supplies already in circulation, right? So, Carbon Browser's doing they did a token unlock today, very bullish. Velo as well. I got a lot of Velo fans here in the crowd. Velo's doing a token unlock as well. 146 million Velo. Yeah. All right, what else? Gaiman, TYT, Bounty Temple, they're doing a token unlock today as well. Anything else of significance? I know that somebody had asked me about Aurora, so they're doing a token unlock. Fusionist, bullish on Fusionist. They're doing one tomorrow. Same with Serenity Shield. Manta, wow, 3 in a row that I'm bullish on. Yeah. 3 token unlocks there. What else do we got? That's it of significance, really, over the next week. Do one more page. One more page. CQT, that's another one we called to the members. They're doing a token unlock on the 21st. That's about it of significance for the next week or so, guys. Next week or two. Not even going to bother looking at the DXY because it's Sunday. But what we can do is have a look at the total amount of JASMY on exchange right now. Reserve is 14,793,000,000 tokens on exchanges reserves right now. That's all, guys. That is the amount of JASMY that is available in exchange reserves. 14,770,000,000. Not a lot, guys. Not a lot. All right, so let's get back over to JASMY. She's still climbing, guys. She's looking good. So far, 3 green daily candles in a row, 3 cents, 8.6. Looks like she may try to test 4 cents tonight, guys. Let's get back into the chat. Joshua, what's up, Rob? Thank you for your insights. You're going to make me rich this bull run. Hey, I hope so, brother. I hope so, man. Balaclava man, Rob, the big dog. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Holy moly. 16% increase for JASMY so far. Nice. Yes, having itself a time. JASMY has to close above 4 cents tonight, Rob. Well, it would be 23 hours from now. We already had the daily close a little over an hour ago. That was this candle here closed. So this candle in 23 hours, 7 p.m. Central tomorrow, this one is the one we want to close above 4 cents. Going to reach 4 cents soon. Absolutely, man. 4 cents would be awesome. I think it could test 4 cents tonight. It could test it tonight. I don't know if it'll break through or not, but if it gets up there and touches it, that'll be fantastic. Is that only an 8 to 8.5x for JASMY? It's already done that. That would bring JASMY to about $1.97, Chris, if that answers your question. The daily close already finished, I believe. Didn't hit 4 cents. Correct, facts. Correct. Close, but no cigar. Yeah. Tomorrow's candle, though. That one would be nice to close. It would actually, yeah, I wouldn't. But here's the thing, though, guys, right? You don't want to just bounce along this again, right? Because you're running a risk here of a double top, right? Of an M formation, right? Which is going to be a drop to the downside. So if we break through this here, we want to break it with conviction, and we want to, run up to that 4 cent 9 level and hold up somewhere up there. We don't want to sit here at 4 cents even, because if we stay up here for a week or so and we keep getting denied at 4 cents, that's a double top formation. We run the risk of a capitulation to the downside there. That's not so good, right? I think JASMY can do Cardozo beans. It was one of my early thoughts back when I thought, yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Squirt Reynolds in the house. I got to pour a glass of water, guys. I am dry from talking. I talk too much, according to my wife. So let me get some water here. Dried out my nasal passage talking. I think Jasmy's going to do more than Cardano in terms of how it's going to be implemented for real world use. Oh, of course. It's got more utility for sure. And that's not a knock on Cardano. That's just facts, right? Jasmy looks like it's setting up for something huge, like the run from 205. Yeah, I mean, I hope so. But like I said, guys, got to be weary of this double top. Don't want no M formations going on. Ain't nobody got time for that. Galaxy Shooter, what's up, man? Happy Father's Day. Thank you, thank you. Mr. Incognito, what's up, Rob? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, my friend. Thank you so much. XCN V3 white paper released on August 1st. Let's go, XCN. Yes. Guys, that's another thing about XCN, too. Now, somebody said in the comments, well, they never update us and everything. Guys, listen. I'm going to show you something here real quick, okay? Let me drop some alpha right on you, man. I'm going to fish slap you with some alpha here, okay? Check this out, my friends. Let's see if I can bring it up on here even. Why am I not able to bring it up? Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'll figure it out. Windows. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. What is this, guys? Well, this would be the XCN Onyx Protocol Telegram, which is, I went in here last night because people were complaining to me last night that Onyx Coin doesn't update them on anything. There is massive updates in their Telegram here, guys. Massive updates. Problem is people are not willing to do the research, right? They're not willing to look, right? They just go to their X page and go, oh, they're not saying anything. They're saying a ton of crap here in their Telegram. Whole bunch of stuff they're saying, right? I was reading it last night. Like, there's a lot of updates going on, man. A lot of stuff happening. So, like, guys, you got to do a little bit more research when you're talking about, you know, oh, they're not updating us on anything. They're not. Yes, they are. You just got to know where you got to look, right? So, Rod, what's up, buddy? Happy Father's Day, my friend. What's good, brother? Good to see you, man. I kind of logged off the charts during the red days. Happy to be back in the green. Let's get it. Nice. Hey, that's the best plan, man. That's the best plan, right? Stress-free is the way to be, man. Sam, hey, Rob, do you think 150K Swift is good? I'm hoping to make close to 100K this bull run. Honestly, man, I'll be honest with you, Sam. If your target is, for me, if my target is to make $100,000 on Swift, then I'm going to hold about 200,000 coins. That way I can get out at 50 cents and I've reached my goal, right? Make it easy on yourself. Front run the market, my friend. Plain Dave, hey, Rob and Jasmy family, happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, brother. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. XCN Layer 3 Network Testnet also coming online. Yes, exactly, Andre. Thank you. And people are not knowing where to find this information. So they're saying that they're not being transparent, right? They absolutely are being transparent. Is this Jasmy a recovery? Is this Jasmy a recovery, Jasmy? Is this just a recovery? Sorry, I was reading that wrong. Little bit, yeah, a little bit of a bounce back, a little bit of a recovery here, you know. I mean, I've been charting it for the last couple of days, showing you guys every day that we were in a bull pennant here. Here, I'll show you. Like we were in a bull pennant we formed this for about a week, a little over a week, right? This falling wedge here. And then I told you guys around here, we were going to break to the upside. It was just a matter of time, right? Nobody listens to Rob though, right? Onyx Protocol V3 white paper will be released August 1st alongside our Layer 3 blockchain network testnet soon. Stay tuned. Yes, absolutely, brother. Keep dropping that XCN alpha on us, man. We love to hear it, Andre. We love to hear it, brother. Maybe 80 cents to $1, maybe. Soon there's going to be loads of influencers jumping on Jasmy. Don't forget, in good, bad times, Rob's been very loyal to Jasmy, an original Jasmy guy. Thank you, Jay. Absolutely, man. I will always remain loyal to the Jasmy community. Always got to listen to Rob. Exactly, right? Exactly. All right, guys. Well, listen. We're caught up in the chat here. Oh, what do we got here? Hello, thanks, man. I'm listening to you right now. Happy Father's Day and happy belated birthday, Rob. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, yesterday was my birthday. If you didn't know, guys, had a fantastic day. It was wonderful. Today's Father's Day. Boom, boom. 2 days in a row. Very nice, man. I got to hang out with you guys. Had some fun. Had some good laughs. It was a good time. So, all right, guys. So I am all caught up on the chat. We got through the news. I'm going to have the chart streaming again tonight, guys. Make sure you guys come by for the chart stream because we're going to see if we can test 4 cents tonight. That would be very, very bullish. So thank you so much, as always, guys, for your support. Thank you for super chats. Thank you for clicking the join button, guys. Become a member. Or, again, if you want to start learning candles, if you want to start learning some of the charting and stuff like that, guys, jump over to the Patreon. I'm going to start putting some videos in there teaching you guys that stuff. So click the link down in the comments or the description, sorry, down below. Join the Patreon, and you will be able to start learning that stuff. And yeah, Crypto Q, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much. So yeah, all right, guys, have yourselves a fantastic night. And we bumped the members only live stream to tomorrow, by the way, guys. So there will be a members only live stream tomorrow. Be here for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.